Hi, I'm Brad Tatnell and I've been a celebrity stylist for 21 years. I'm here in my salon Queen's Hairdressing to introduce a product called Brazilian Keratin Therapy by Organix, which is a smoothing treatment for you to do at home yourself. The whole process that involves, you use a clarifying shampoo to start with, which eliminates any build-up of product in the hair. Then we apply the straightener treatment over the top. That's then blow dried in and then straightened out with irons at the hot heat. Then you go away for 48 hours, you come back and we shampoo it out again, and then it's all back to normal. What that will do is eliminate 95% of frizz and curl from the hair for up to 30 days. The product is an organic based product and it is formaldehyde free. So it's totally natural and it's full of oils, coconut oils and Brazilian nut oils that will help smooth out the hair and keep it lush for 30 days.
How many oils it needs to...
When you do your first shampoo, which I'm only going to do one because the hair is actually not too dirty and it's not overly curly, basically what we're going to do with Flo's hair is just eliminate more of the frizz, as that's her main concern at the moment. So once the hair is 80% dry, you are then going to put it in 2-inch sections and apply the product. This product can be applied to any form of coloured, bleached, highlighted or chemically waved hair, because you're actually infusing it with keratin, which is the hair's basic natural bodybuilder. Smooth the product down the hair shaft. Remember to work it in with your fingers so that it stops from over-saturating. Then just comb each section through. It does smell quite natural.
Yeah.
So once you've actually applied the product to the hair, you can see it's all evenly saturated, but there's not too much excess of product in there. You then need to dry it off, and ideally on a low heat is better. So as you can see with Keratin's hair, we've actually now made it all nice and smooth from blow drying the product in. So it should actually feel a little bit like it has conditioner in it. Does it feel like that to you? It's the easiest way to explain it. So now what you need to do is divide it up into sections once again and just seal it with straightening irons. What that does is just seals in the last bit of product. And the best way to do that is use a comb. Just seal it sort of right near the base of the root and just pull it through. I tend to give each section about 4 or 5 goes each and smooth it all the way through. And that's just sealed in that last bit. So that should now feel quite silky. So as you can see with Keratin's hair, it is now all nice and straight, silky. Do you have a feel, darling?
What a difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can actually feel the difference in there. It's quite shiny too.
Yeah, it's great.
So
and that's still with product in it, so that's amazing. So basically, like I said, you cannot tuck it behind your ears.
Right, yeah.
Don't let it get wet. Don't let it get sort of too steamed if you're going to be humid. But you can always run the irons over it. So if it does get a little kink in it, if you just heat your irons and run it over again, it will smooth it back out. And that's all you need to worry about. So for 48 hours, just try and keep it dry and basically its natural fall like it is now. I'll see you in 2 days. Okay, this is Keratin's hair after 2 days. And how did you go with it, Flo?
Loved it. I haven't even touched it since you did
good.
it 2
Yeah.
days ago.
So it didn't like frizz up or anything
whatsoever,
like that?
no.
Excellent. So basically what we're going to do now is the final stages of the whole process, which is to shampoo and condition and then blow dry, and then that's it. For 30 days you'll have luscious hair.
Brilliant.
So come over to the basement. So this shampoo and conditioner has an exclusive blend of antioxidant-rich coconut oil, along with keratin proteins to soften and strengthen the hair, and then avocado oil and cocoa butter just to smooth out the cuticle again. Just a bit of conditioner. Okay, so basically just with Keratin's hair we've done it so that you can see that's quite smooth on one side still, just from the blow dry, which took 15 minutes. And then this side we just did a little bit of movement so that you can show that you can still get movement from having the treatment done in the hair as well. But it still feels nice and silky, it's like glass.
Really, yeah, it's so silky. And the drying time is more than half, really. So,
which is excellent.
Yeah, and that's what you want.
Yeah, which should be 75% less drying time. So I think we've achieved that today. Cool. Thank you, darling.
Pleasure.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's great. Love it.
So BKT is a formaldehyde-free product. It's $30 for 30 days. This box will contain the shampoo that you used beforehand, the shampoo and conditioner that goes with the product for aftercare is sodium and sulfate free and also smells of cocoa butter, which is beautiful. The flat iron spray and the serum can be used in conjunction with your normal styling. The flat iron can be used for beforehand straightening or with curling, and the serum is more for an anti-breakage serum, so you can use that before and after also.
Such a difference.
It's just so shiny.
Love it.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.